last time. Remember? We sat down in Krishna's Babaji's Samadhi and talking.
Nice.
Nice.
Very nice vibration.
This way you can develop attachment to the Dham. Dham is undefined from Krishna. The attachment to Krishna, same thing. Krishna Katha, same thing. Every time you may not like to one thing, stick to Krishna Nam. Kirtan, Bhajan, Harikatha, Sadhvi more backed up, who will start talking so many things. And these are also preaching and teaching and training. Duty of father to train up son. Yes, sir. A teacher, make a student a good. If he is a good student, he becomes also a teacher. Yes, repeat what Guru says. Who was the one talking about Charlie Chaplin? That's another time. And both sides, we like so much those days. Still you can see this old film, Charlie Chaplin, make people laugh, I think.
Black and white.
Suddenly one devotee, one senior, first joined like that. Not exactly first, but group. Who was? This is not Krishna Katha here for our sake. But did you hear the conclusion? Wait for the conclusion. Finally end up with Krishna Katha. So it is not Krishna Katha? Just like story of so many Bhakti-Siddhanta Thakur said. There's nothing to do with Krishna consciousness. Old monkey, young monkey, what is this king? And it is but end moral is teaching Krishna consciousness. Yeah? Yes. Everybody like to listen story. By false propaganda, you can make which is untrue, true. People believe that Ek Chakre Bhagavan Bhut, there is one story. Just by making some conspiracy, some group of people. There was one king, Bhakti-Siddhanta Thakur saying, and he has got many councillors, and there is counseling body there. And he asked, in this matter, what is your opinion? Now present day president, minister also do that different kind, no? He's an expert, American president. You call him breakfast, take breakfast with me, I will invite him. But he will ask some questions. But I will ask you some question for my understanding to make my decision. Amartya Sen, he is an economist, got Nobel Prize. He was invited and he's asking many complicated his problem, he's facing challenges, how to handle this, and he's telling his opinion. So king has got many. Previously also Indian king used to have, whether Muslim or Indian, Hindu, in parts of it. Just like, we call it as the Navaratna Sabha. So king is there. One king I have, every king. So he finds many things. A different person giving different opinion. The Parshad saw usually king listen to one guy more than us. You are telling you now, he is always according to his king's opinion, king's idea. Personally, this guy is honest, other guy has their own interest. So this guy naturally got envious. They had got an idea. They had got a meeting among themselves, excluding him. How to get rid of this guy? King is always listening to him, and that must be his way dear to the king. Then the king trusts him more than all of us. Envious. They asked the sentry, don't let him in altogether. He doesn't. He said, why is not come? Maharaj, he's got sick. And one day saying, every time he want to come, he said, he cannot go through to tell you, even inform the king. There's no phone at that time. Neither any other telegraph, this, that, letter. They stop it because they're defined big guys. They do not let this thing go to the king. King said, where is he there? He said, Maharaj, he is sick. One day he said, he died.
No wonder.
No, not yet died. Bhagavan Das. Bhagavan Das must have died or something. King some or other time, when they had arrangement so that that guy cannot go to him. They did something. Actually, he didn't die. He's thinking what to do. I can go to the king, tell what he comes tell. You can understand maybe this guy did something conspiracy. They must be envious. Material world being envious. King made a plan. Okay, I say, घोषणा कर दो. You know, those days घोषणा means one guy goes, he plays some drum. Dum 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 dum. He says, Lord Ramchandra's time. Suno, suno, suno. So, dum 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 means everybody says some घोषणा, some announcement. Not radio, television, now then. Or other thing. Or siren. Everybody come, what is dum 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 dum? क्या क्या? सुनो सुनो सुनो. महाराज डिसाइड किया सब प्रजा को देखेगा, इसलिए मेन रोड ये देखे वो जाएगा, आपको दर्शन देगा और वो भी देखेगा प्रजा को सब खुश है कि नहीं. दिस इज किंग हैज गॉट ए आइडिया, ही अरेंज लाइक राजा महाराज ठीक किया, सब पूजा को दर्शन देगा, पूजा भी आना चाहिए, ये रास्ता में जाएगा, राजपथ देके जाएगा. So he also came to know. So he's looking for which place could be nearest to the king when king go, so king can see him and hear him. He saw one tree going almost approaching the big branches that near the road. So he is hiding in the bushes, the leaves of that tree before king comes. He calculated this time king is there, so how long it will come. Take time, the way his speed is coming, his chariot and parshad, some parshad with him. When there came, he got ready. Suddenly, when very near, Maharaj, here I am Bhagavan Das. They said, what to do? Among them said, quickly. They decided, Maharaj, he is not Bhagavan, he died. He is a ghost. What is this? He is Bhagavan Das. He is a ghost. I am not ghost. I am not ghost. I am Bhagavan Das. All of them saying, Maharaj, I am not saying, everybody is saying, it is not him, it is his ghost. I am not ghost, Maharaj, I am alive. I am seeing darshan day. Somebody don't allow me to get inside your palace. They say, no, this is wrong, Maharaj. He is his ghost. It is not him, he is his ghost. Can't you see he is in the tree? Why not coming? So many things. And everybody says naturally, it is natural, people believe. Maybe he himself is thinking, maybe I have become ghost. 1,000 people tell you something, you know you are not that. And you have to believe. Why so many people tell you? Everybody is not conspiracy. चला गया. One can do what is false, what is true can be made false, what is false can be made true. Bhaktivinoda Thakur has told this story. And go on telling some.
Prabhupada come to them from
Chalicha. It's quite late, 1 o'clock. Oh, go now, everybody. Take rest.
But in London,
Very blessed.
very place.
Very blessed. As Govind said, Prabhupada, this Chalichamni used to live one part of London. Poor area. Hill stand. What is that place one? Charlie Chaplin used to live? With W or Y? I knew before, now its name is not coming. He used to see all this film, nice Chaplin, make people laugh like him. Still they show this thing and find YouTube.
In TV, my time, they was showing a lot of.
World War. One guy, he was also comedian. Maybe Charlie Chaplin also. He's dancing. Suddenly, after dancing, ball dance, got a special dress, big gown, men people, he has. just like a laboratory routine. Put on the jacket, white, there is earring and some pants, special color. Then there is a break, intermission, break, then again you will start. Audience is there, watching. He gone, he was sitting outside. One naughty boy. He saw his absorbing son, his gown, the knee, and nailed him with a cloth. Ran away. For nothing. Not cut. Mischievous boy. Always little boy do all this. Idle brain, devil's work. Do something. Everybody knows childhood pastime, everybody does. And he's going to, hey, it you, hey, what? Who nailed it, my door? Coming up to here. Now there's nobody there, nothing here to quickly sew and sew it, So he went to the carnival stage. People looking at his hips is seeing. Everybody looking at, what do you see? And he suddenly told others. Others have not, they are not told. It's a fashion, modern fashion. Anything new, modern fashion. So they also told, everybody saying, hey, everybody's hips is seen, what sort of thing? Modern fashion. It's clever. And this way he got rid of. He said, oh, this fashion. Nothing to the Pope is everybody laughing. What is his name? I think. Another guy. So the Pope tells his own story. Tell again about Chanakya Sloka, these are Chanakya. In this case, you do it in this case. Somebody asked you, we are following Chanakya. We are supposed to follow Sadhu Shastra Guru. Now we are introducing Chanakya. Prabhupada said, you want to, as far as I mean, you want to, in this material world, you may be practicing Krishna consciousness, so you are not affected. But you have to deal with modern Vishay people, materialist people. If you know Chanakya Sloka, you know how to deal with him. Chanakya said, don't trust any guy. He said, he is a woman, he is a politician, he is a prostitute, he is a few others. He said, don't trust them. To get that thing done, they can tell you lies. Rajkulesh. Srishu Rajkulesh. Rajkulesh is an administrator, politician, king. One king told world famous one poet that I will give you that many Swarna Mudra, gold coin, if you make nice. And he made, and everybody highly appreciate, but he didn't keep his word. Because king, so what he can do to him? What does he bring him? One day he thought, no, I did something wrong. He's thinking, maybe I did. That day he saw his dead body is being taken as hunters. In the later on, he became famous. I think his name is Fardowsi, somewhere in Iran or somewhere. Famous. He has got world famous.
Prabhupada has mentioned that there is some gold mountain in the Himalayas.
Prabhupada said, once some kings, Rajishwajaga came, Brahmins were given everybody the gold plate. The Brahmin, even millions of rupees, he always give and remain beggar, so that he remain humble. So that they, when they are going back, in Himalaya somewhere they throw it. So when Yudhishthira was doing Jajasura, he asked his godbrothers, his brothers, to bring some gold, where I will get the expenditure. They say, we don't get anywhere, we have to collect it from others. If they don't get, They require in the beginning some, the government do many projects, require first, but you spend some money. Then Krishna said, I'll tell you, in Himalaya there is a place, they throw all these plates away, bring those things. He's telling where to go and do that. Give an idea. And Arjuna or Bhima went most probably. I think Arjuna brought back all this. And this gold.
I think those who want adventure, they can go and find it out.
Still can go and those things are there. Brahmin always keep themselves in course there so that they can remain humble. Also some say, Lakshmi said, I won't be merciful to them because he kicked on my husband's chest. So usually Brahmins are poor. But spiritually rich. When what he gets is nature. Unless overseas are Brahmanically qualified, you cannot understand. But people have wrong idea. Brahmins, son claiming as Brahmin, you cannot read. You have no adhikar. Anybody other than Brahmin to read Vedic teachers. When Prabhupada was asked by somebody, Prabhupada, this by request, somebody, this one German professor, his name is Max Muller. He went to Oxford or Cambridge one place and staying there, the whole Veda translated. It is available now, overseas. That is not there. He cannot translate. Right? Is he Brahmin? Has he got Brahminical qualification? He must be taking coffee, tea, meat, what? Cigarette, who knows? So how can he, unless become a Brahmin, can understand Veda? That is Brahminical qualification. He doesn't continue. So I don't accept. I don't read Max Muller. He can't tell the meaning. Vedic thing has got so many meanings. It's not dictionary to see and tell you. Nobody will understand. Neither he understands. What understand? One word is called aphorism. There are so many meanings. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Srimad Bhagavatam, one language, one sloka, Atmaram Bhas. Maybe 65 chapters. Whereas top scholar, Sarvabhauma, he gave 5 or 6 minutes. And without touching that, he can't do that. And one is a big scholar coming from Kashmir. He is telling, he came to know one guy, little boy, is a big scholar. No big professor, scholar go to him to hours. He can establish something again, himself again, disprove it. And this way he talked to many big scholars and defeat them. I want to see him. I throughout India go, everywhere I win. Praise God. He came to know what somebody said. He teaching his friends Sanskrit. In the Ganges side, you see some of the bank of the Ganges. He saw one Lord. Is it Nimai? Oh, yeah, Nimai, I want to talk to you. After discourse of this, suddenly Nimai said, I heard you are a big scholar. Please tell something in glorification of Mother Ganges. Within a short time, he composed some verses, 100 verses. Then when he stopped, Nimai smiled. If you don't mind, if you are a big scholar, don't mind. If I say something, don't mind, I'm finding your fault. No, I don't understand. Tell, you say this here, this Bhavani Bhatta,
Yes, yeah.
His repetition, according to Sanskrit grammar, you should not repeat it 20 times like they started. If you don't mind, then again, showing so many defects.
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu say, you say Bhavani, Bhavani means Bhav ki Patni.
Huh.
But you again say,
Saying Bhatta.
yes, 2 times.
Should not be according to Sanskrit. and few others also. So he said, "You are shocked, this housing little boy." I told her in a short time, how could you catch that particular verse, that number, there? How could you remember all this? He's feeling ashamed. He's defeating. His guru is Saraswati. He's meditating whole night, crying. Saraswati gave him darshan. He said, "What happened?" He said, "Little boy making you. I feel so ashamed. And insulted in front of everybody, my fame, everything punctured." He says, "I can't do anything to you. You'd rather go and surrender to him. Do you know who he is? He's my husband." The Supreme Personality of Godhead. He looks like a little boy. You don't know him. Better you go for your good and surrender to him. The Supreme Personality of Godhead. His guru is his worship of deity, Saraswati is saying that. The Saraswati Lokhi are the energy of the Lord, spiritual Lord. Didn't say. Just smile, he's a little. The role of a little boy is smile. There's nothing. Yeah, no. Think yourself, nobody can know more than you, something like that. Gave you some advice. Thank you, nobody can know more than you. Be humble. Instead of saying this, pride precedes fall. No? Somebody is proud. Bhaktivinoda Thakur telling again one story. One boy, as if he's flying kites and going up, and he's very jolly. So he thinks he's identifying himself with the kite and going high. In many countries, there are big kites. See, in China, other countries, they play kites. Some kite could be from here to there, or maybe bigger than that. They can, 2-3% they can take away by this thing. The sky. So strong wind. I saw. It is very strong. Rope like, plastic, very strong. You cannot snap it. Maybe one I saw, 10-20 people carrying it in a truck. They made with bamboo and some cloth, the kite. And near the sea beach they are flying. And tied it up with a big tree so that it cannot take away. And they are holding, they cannot hold it. 3-4% tie it up. And there's some bamboo making sound. Remember in the sea beach of Indonesia, that one usually morning and evening I go and walk there. So many guys flying kites and bringing it up. So until it gets dark, too dark, then bring it down. So some people think like that. The kite is more higher going, and maybe in the roof he is flying. And roof is called Nara Chad. Nara means, in Bengal, means have no fence. So if you're looking at this, like somebody say, stop. He's on the almost near the edge. Now if you look at and absorb it, you get in and fall. Kite cannot help you. It may not be big kite, it's small kite, like Indian kite, small. You fly kite, in our school days we used to fly kite. Prabhupada also fly kite. Some particular the Vishwakarma Puja, more kites, whole sky full of sky in Calcutta.
Everywhere different times.
In Calcutta, some area like that, other uncle would shout, "Hey, you'll fall down, rascal, get down." They are scared. He can have an accident. Other guy, one kite, another kite, they're fighting, cut another thing.